bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Remove the housing cover. Pull the left filter straight out to remove it. Slide the other to the left and pull out to remove it. Remove both of the filters from their trays. There are two rails in the tray that the end folds of the filter need to be behind in order to be secure, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Install your new AQ1040 filters into the trays. Insert the filter trays into the housing. Reinstall the housing cover. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.